There have always been myths floating about concerning how, according to some, humanities as a subject was for the low scoring students, or that people who don't get to do well in their board exams should pursue hotel management. Yet, what they don't tell you is that in comparison to other jobs, the salary and the job satisfaction of a hotelier is much, much more than any other managerial level profession. And we are here to tell you about the top hotel management institutes that the capital city has to offer. Let's check it out. Ranking on the top is the IHM Pusa. IHM Pusa is one of the most elite hospitality institutes in India. It offers undergraduate, graduate, and postgraduate courses and comes under the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, situated in the Pusa region. The institute have been standing tall since 1962. They even offer great placements and international exposure to their students, especially if they are doing a chef's training. The admission for the bachelors is through a common entrance exam on the all India level. NCHMCT. Second in the ranking is Banaras Chandiwala Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. Banaras is one of the premium institutes of hotel management in New Delhi and India. It is affiliated with Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University. Although a charitable society called Sri Banaras Chandiwala Seva Ashramak Trust Society runs the college, it has given impeccable examination and placement result. There is a hostel facility available for the outstation students. Ranking in the third is the IIHM Badarpur. Being an ex-alumni of this group of the institute, it was founded in 1994. The International Institute of Hotel Management is a part of the IntiSmart group and has a tie-up with the University of West London. The college is situated near Badarpur and has an expansive campus. They primarily offer bachelors in hotel management, and as the name suggests, students can gain international experience in their training semesters. Apart from that, they also offer trips to Italy and France for people who love to explore wine. This placement record has been great with all major hotels and retail brands. Standing fourth is the Delhi Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, also called IIHM. Delhi Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology is another college that comes under NCHMCT. The college is situated in Lajpat Nagar, adjacent to Lady Shri Ram College. Initially, the college was a foods craft institute, which was later converted into a complete institute in 1999. Things have turned around since then, and now they offer bachelor courses, diploma courses, and advanced diploma courses. Standing on the fifth is the MIT College of Hospitality. MIT College of Hospitality is a part of the MIT University situated in Noida. The college campus is huge with modern infrastructure and an extremely experienced college faculty. They offer bachelor's, MBA, and PhD for hospitality students. Apart from that, they also offer diploma in culinary arts for cooking enthusiastic. They host a lot of college competition for culinary arts, cocktail mixing, and many more. Sixth in the rank is the GD Goenka University. Le Cordon Bleu School of Hospitality is a part of GD Goenka University. The institute is located in Gurugram. They have a range of culinary and hospitality courses according to industry needs. It offers undergraduate, postgraduate, and diploma courses to its students who have a passion for the profession. Le Cordon Bleu is an internationally renowned institute, and this is their only institute in India as a hospitality here in nothing like European or American hospitality. They offer both international and domestic placement. Seventh in the rank is the Institute of Hotel Management IHM Faridabad. IHM Faridabad is a part of the NCHM as well, and the admissions here take place through the common entrance exam. They also offer diploma courses to the students in the 12th grade. The campus looks like a hotel from outside and was initially also a food craft institute since 1989. In 2009, it became an institution offering bachelor's. The academic and placement record since then has been considerably improved. The eighth in the rank is the Lalit Suri Hospitality School. The Lalit Suri Hospitality School was established with a vision to create a new generation of hoteliers. Mr. Suri wanted to teach the true essence of Indian hospitality and the current trends to his students. The college is also affiliated with the NCHM city and offers Bachelor in Hotel Management. The placement record has been great in the recent past. Most of the students are placed in their own brand, that is the Lalit, across India. So, what are you waiting for?